Sorry about that, you guys. I was in a bit of a hurry. After all, Zamasu chased me all the way back to my studio and is still rampaging through the streets! Anyways, today I'm going to show you how to draw a Cell in his imperfect form. If you must know, this was the form when what Cell looked like back then, when he was created by Dr. Gero from the timeline where he came from. And, I gotta admit, that was an impressive timeline that Trunks was from. If you must know, both Cell and Trunks came from an alternate future, but, Cell came back from the future, into the past to devour Android 17 and Android 18. And, believe me, it did succeed until he upchucked Android 18, transformed into a bomb, and destroyed King Kai's base. It was kind of horrible, actually. I wish Goku would have revived King Kai and his two pals. That way they'd all be safe. Anyways, when drawing him, you must draw the crest on his head. Kind of like, Cooler's crest, but, not exactly. But I gotta admit, this, form looks kinda cute, actually. I've heard rumors about a manga where Cell became a good guy. Well, you remember that episode where Trunks and Krillin went to Dr. Gero's lab and destroyed the Cell from inside his computer tank? And, he was destroyed. But, it didn't change the fact that Cell was still on the rampage. And, he was still alive. Time change didn't work because, he was from an alternate future. One that's been split from our reality. But I gotta admit, that was a good series. Anyways, after Cell was defeated, Gohan grew older, went to college, and, he was, living a normal life. He married Videl and, had children in Japan. He, when Goku came back, he had to face off against Majin Buu. But, he was revived as Kid Buu, and, you know the tournament, you know the Dragon Ball Super movie. And, that was the beginning of a new series, when Goku and Vegeta must train hard to become the next Super Saiyan gods. When another character which I'll be drawing real soon. And, if you saw this, if you guys are Cell fans, be sure to leave a comment below and smash that like button. Now you just draw this part here. Okay. Okay,
What is it with you? You have no clue what's going on, do you? If we're going to do something about these waves, then you need to help.
Hungry. Vegeta has candy.
okay, we're just
Why
gonna...
would you even ask that.
At this here.
I don't have time for this.
I can hear you guys arguing. Can you please stop?
But his power is too valuable to ignore. If only there was a way to get him motivated.
Okay, next up. I hope you guys tell your differences now.
Hey, Boo! If you choose to fight with us, I'll give you the most delicious thing in the whole world.
More delicious than chocolate or cake?
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, next up, you just gotta draw this panel here.
Then Boo fight hard! Boo fight and he can do! Eat all bad guys!
The most delicious thing in the world. At least Boo's not fierce and he'll pretty much eat anything you put in front of him. What could that be? I'll ask Bulma later.
Boo beat you fast, so Boo can eat good food! Get ready!
Okay, now that that's settled, here's the next thing. You just gotta draw his stinger, his tail. Alexa, play Wow Wow Wubsy.
Here's Wow, Wow, Wubsy, intro song. by
Alexa,
Little
stop.
Apple Band.
And, there we go. And, here's what you must know. Deep inside his skull, there's a small lump of matter in this area here that allows him to regenerate. And, he transforms back into his perfect form. And, there we go. There's his wings here. And, that's how you draw imperfect Cell. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? So, what's your favorite character in Dragon Ball? And, if you guys have a fan favorite that you guys want me to add in, just let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, well, I'll see you guys soon, or else Cell will get you.